How to change temperature to Fahrenheit or Celsius in weather app. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can change temperature to Fahrenheit or Celsius in your weather app. If you want to change the temperature unit to Fahrenheit or Celsius in your weather app, follow this general step. Note that the exact step may vary slightly depending on the specific weather app you are using, but the process is usually same across most apps. So first of all, you have to open up your weather app. So you have to go through your app drawer and go for your weather app. Once you are on your weather app, you have to look for the setting icon, or you can see the three dot line which is on the top right corner of the screen. Just tap on that. So it will be based on your weather app. You can look for the option of setting icon or three horizontal like icon or hamburger menu, which will be located at the top right corner of the screen or bottom right corner of the screen in the app menu. And here you have to tap on the setting. Once you are here on your settings section, you have to search for the option like unit, temperature unit, measurement unit, or temperature scale. So here you have to look for the option like this. After seeing the option of temperature unit or measurement unit or other option here, you have to just see the Celsius and Fahrenheit. So you will see the option choose between Celsius or Fahrenheit. So here you have to select the prefer and the temperature will be displayed in your app which can be changed accordingly. So in most apps, changes are applied automatically, but if there is a save option, you have to tap on the done option. Make sure to tap to confirm. So this way you will be successfully changed your temperature to Fahrenheit or Celsius in your weather app. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.